In this video, we'll show you how to unpack, set up, and stack your Thermo Scientific Vios iDx CO2 Incubator. Vios iDx CO2 incubators are delivered in a stable packing crate. All of the packing materials can be separated and recycled. If any components are missing, or you find damage to the packaging or device, especially damage caused by humidity and water, contact the carrier and our customer service team immediately. It's important to make sure your incubator's installation meets location requirements and particular environmental conditions. Choose a dry, draft-free location with appropriate ventilation, and place the incubator on a solid, level, fireproof surface. Don't expose it to direct sunlight or devices that produce excessive heat. And make sure that the minimum distance to adjacent surfaces is observed on all surfaces of the incubator. Refer to the space requirements section of the operating instructions for more information. If you place your incubator on a floor stand or lab table, the substructure must be vibration-proof and capable of bearing the weight of the device and its accessories, especially if devices are stacked. The electrical system of the device is designed for an operating height of up to 2,000 meters above sea level. To help ensure a constant incubation temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, the ambient temperature must be within a range of 18 to 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity of the location shouldn't exceed 80%. If you need to move or transport your incubator, there are some important precautions to remember. Don't use the doors or components attached to the device as lift points. Never attempt to lift the incubator alone. And always wear personal protective equipment, such as safety shoes. You can save space by stacking a maximum of 2 CO2 incubators. You'll need to place an optional stacking adapter between the two units to create a stacked configuration. When installing the stacking adapter, refer to the Stacking Devices section of the Vios iDx CO2 Incubator operating instructions for details. A mobile base frame helps you move your incubator around your lab or facility. It can also be used to set up a stacked, movable unit. To set up a stacked, movable unit, place the bottom unit, including its feet, on the stacking elements of the mobile base frame. Next, place the stacking adapter plate with the underside down on top of the bottom device. Then, align the holes in the connection tab of the adapter plate with the holes on the rear wall of the bottom unit. Use the screws supplied with the incubator to screw the connection tab to both sides of the bottom unit, securing the rear wall of the bottom unit to the adapter plate. Then, place the top device, including its feet, on the stacking elements of the adapter plate attached to the bottom unit. The incubators are fixed to each other by the weight of the top unit and stacking adapter plate. Rollers on the base frame are fitted with a locking brake to stabilize the stacked configuration once it's moved. Thank you for watching. You're ready to take advantage of the culturing efficiency and security of your Thermo Scientific Vios iDx CO2 Incubator. Visit thermofisher.com/Vios iDx to learn more.